Ordinance 2008, also known as Republic Act 9520, to give faith in and put into practice the noble and democratic tenets of the Cooperative Pledge, to perform my duties to the best of my ability and capacities, without fear or favor, with the aim in view of furthering the purpose of this cooperative and advancing the interests of the affiliates in the community to which it is dedicated, and to conduct myself in a manner of benefiting a good and true cooperator, so as to bring honor and prestige to our cooperative, and that I take this pledge without mental reservation or purpose of evasion. So help me God.